We strive to provide our customers with the best service possible, so when we get a 5-star review and they say things like this, well, we have to show it to the world. And that's what one customer had to say about their experience with our business. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one. We enjoy sharing them with our team members and customers. It's extremely encouraging and validating. Plus, it's a great testament to our commitment to customer satisfaction. But please, don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll discover the difference for yourself when you work with our expert team. Attention to detail and unmatched quality are our specialties. We hope you enjoyed our small section of the internet today. We look forward to talking with you.